Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the miraculous world of castor oil and how it can be a game changer for your eye health. You might think castor oil is just another home remedy, but trust me, it's got some serious benefits for your eyes. Stay till the end to see how the most common ways to apply castor oil to your eyes. Let's talk about dry eyes. If you're someone who spends hours staring at screens or battling the dry winter air, castor oil might just be your new best friend. Dry eyes can be super uncomfortable, causing irritation, redness, and that gritty feeling like there's sand in your eyes. Not fun, right? Castor oil can help. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can soothe and hydrate your eyes, giving you much-needed relief. Let's talk about cataracts. Cataracts are a common issue as we age, leading to cloudy vision that can seriously impact your quality of life. While castor oil isn't a miracle cure that will make cataracts disappear overnight, some studies and anecdotal evidence suggest it can help delay their progression. The antioxidants in castor oil, like vitamin E, help combat oxidative stress, which is a key player in cataract formation. So, incorporating castor oil into your routine could be a smart move for your long-term eye health. Now you might be wondering, how do I use castor oil for my eyes? Great question. It's super simple and doesn't involve any fancy equipment. Here's what you do. Start with cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Purity is key here. Before you start, make sure your hands and face are clean. Some people like to do this twice a day. Take a small amount of castor oil on your fingertips. Gently rub it on your eyelids, focusing on the lash line. Be careful not to let too much oil slip into your eyes. Massaging it on your eyelids allows the oil to seep in slowly, moisturizing the area, and providing all those wonderful benefits we talked about. Doing this regularly can help keep your eyes hydrated and may even slow down cataract formation. A quick tip: if you wear contact lenses, make sure to remove them before applying the oil. And always do a patch test first to ensure you're not allergic to castor oil. Safety first, that's it folks. Castor oil isn't just for hair and skin, it's a hidden gem for eye health too. Whether you're dealing with dry eyes or looking to protect your vision from cataracts, castor oil could be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and take care of those beautiful eyes. Catch you in the next video.